XTAR WK16 is a highly portable and lightweight LED camping torch. Compact dimensions and durable construction makes it perfect for campings and everyday usage. In the box, there are manuals and instructions. Despite being small and handy, the torch is also very powerful, giving up to 550 lumen light beam. It also has a tactical switch. The set contains a rechargeable accumulator, but it can also be powered by a standard AA battery. A battery charger with a micro USB cable is also included. Additionally, in the box, there are an O-ring gasket and a lanyard.